Hi friends! Welcome back to Uttara Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's been about 90 days since we planted our onion seeds. We saw that some of the onions are ready for harvest. Are you ready to harvest the onions and make one of the most delicious South Indian gravies? Gently pull the onions from soil and shake off any excess soil. The pearl onions look really delicious and they're super fresh. First, we're going to trim and cure the onions for a week before using them. For curing onions, simply spread the onions out in a single layer for 1 to 2 weeks until the top necks are completely dry and the outer skin of the onion becomes slightly crispy. After 1 week of curing, we are ready to make this lip-smacking Grown Onion Vatha Kuzhambu with our homegrown PERAL onions. Heat sesame oil. Once oil is hot, add in mustard seeds. When mustard seeds start to crackle, add in FENUGREEK seeds, chilies, curry leaves, tur dal, and fry until golden brown. Add in the onions and saute. Add salt for taste, turmeric powder, and red chili powder. This gravy tends to be a bit spicy and tangy, and if you don't like too hot foods, then you cannot add the red chili powder. Add sambar putty and fry along with onions in the oil, and add tamarind extract immediately without burning the spices, and bring it to a boil. When the gravy starts to thicken, add jaggery and mix well and bring it to a boil. When oil starts to separate, our delicious lip-smacking Grown Onion Vatha Kuzhambu is ready to enjoy with hot rice and dry roast appalam. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. If you like our channel, please
like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget our videos. Bye guys!